Okay, well, this is the old air conditioner, the Fetter's air conditioner, and we're looking at the numbers on this. We've got about 750, 60 watts. It's gone up as high as 800 watts. So that would make a 1,000-watt generator work pretty hard. Of course, we're trying to get to something that's less than that. There's watts and voltage and amperage. Okay, we're going to plug in the new air conditioner and see what kind of numbers it comes up with. Well, let's see if we got our gauge where we can see how we doing here. Can we read that? Oh, shoot. Can't really see it. Let me move in on it here. We can pedal down and get closer to it. There we go. All right. So we've got 120 volts. Let's turn it on and see what the amp draw is on low. So there we go on low fan, 0.5148 amps. So as you can see, it's a very efficient fan. Now let's click over to low cool. Okay, we're up to 2.7496405, should be about 4.5 amps, and it is blowing cold air right now. Let's take a look at the watts. Okay, so we're at 480 some odd watts. Well, let's click it up to high cool. There we go. That's high cool. So it looks like we're right around 475, maybe 480. Definitely in that 500 amp sweet range. 500 watt sweet range, because we know that a 1000 watt generator is going to work pretty nicely at half throttle or half output. 500 watts, everybody seems to agree that they do really well at 500 watts. So this appears to be a success. It still remains to see if a 1000 watt cheapo generator can power this thing. Because again, I'm not using a generator for hardly anything. This is about it, and maybe the microwave if I'm parked in a place for a while. But that's it. I got a 30-foot cord so I can move it in the bushes or move it some way distant from the van so it's not making any noise near me. But these things don't make that much noise to begin with. And yes, it's blowing cold air. So I think I made a good choice in this Frigidaire air conditioner.